Whether it's breakfast or brunch or just a light snack, smoked salmon is always a winner. I'm gonna show you how I like to do my very, very simple smoked salmon bagel. The cream cheese mix, that's where it's at. Let me show you guys how I like to do it. Cream cheese like sauce really is a place where we can shine. We can add a lot of our fun ingredients. So what I want to start with is softened cream cheese. I'm going to put that into a bowl. We're going to chop up just a little bit of dill. Dill has a rich, wonderful flavor. We're also going to add a bit of flat leaf parsley. Now this is going to give us color and flavor. Let's go a little bit further into Flavor Town. I'm going to grab some fresh lemon juice. It's going to bring a real nice brightness to the cream cheese. We're also going to take our zester and get some of that beautiful flavor from the skin of the lemon. Absolutely loaded with flavor. Hit that with just a pinch of salt and pepper to bring out all those delicious flavors. And the last thing I want to do is add a bit of garlic powder. Now I add garlic powder instead of fresh garlic, mostly because I want it to incorporate evenly, and the little bits of garlic kind of just, the texture gets all wrong. So powdered garlic. Now mix all of that together until it's nice and creamy smooth, and we can put it off to the side and get to the bagels. You can use any kind of bagel that you like. I happen to like the everything bagel, but by all means, you can use the plain or onion or whatever else you like. What I want to do is I'm going to take my bagel and make sure it has a nice flat side. I'm going to add just a bit of butter to my griddle on medium heat or so. You can, yeah, medium's good. Let's go to medium. We're going to toast that just a little bit. We basically want a nice crispy surface, but we don't want it to be too crunchy or hard. All right, let's clean up our cutting board just a bit. Now that's only going to take maybe a minute or so, which means we are almost done. Let's get to the rest of our garnish. I've got a red onion. What I want to do is I want to make a nice thin, beautiful thin little julienne. Thin so it doesn't overpower any of the other flavors. I'm going to do the same thing with just a little bit of cucumber. It's going to bring some bright, sweet, fresh, beautiful flavor. All right, now the star of the show, the salmon. Kvaroy Arctic Salmon is fantastic. These guys are really putting out a fantastic product. You can get this on Amazon, and I am a big fan. And if you've never had smoked salmon before, basically it's really thin, delicate, wonderful salmon. It has a beautiful flavor, and it's perfect for breakfast or brunch. The bagels smell perfect. They smell done, and look at that, they are. Here we go. Now it's time to build. All we have left to do is take some of this gorgeous spread that we made. We're gonna be fairly generous with it right over the surface. Now let's do that to both of our bagels. Now we're gonna get to our salmon. You can pull these apart into smaller little pieces and kind of give them just a little turn. It just gives the appearance, it's much prettier. I'll do that to both of our bagels. Now we're gonna get to just a little bit of our red onion and our cucumber, some of those beautiful little capers. If you haven't had them, they are truly delicious. I'm gonna add a little bit of spinach in there as well, maybe a drizzle of olive oil, and we're done. You can garnish with a bit more of the dill if you want, but this is really a simple way to elevate your brunch or breakfast game. Whoa, elegant, beautiful. Really didn't take a lot of time. You can definitely do this at home. Oh yeah. Thank you so much for hanging out. I hope you love that one as much as I do. Be sure to check out CJ's show, check out Betty's show, Todd's show, Destination Delicious, and On the Bayou with Bruce Mitchell. They are all super fun shows. Be sure to click that subscribe button, leave us a comment, leave us a like, all that fun stuff. This is Cook, Eat, Repeat, where we help you become a better cook one recipe at a time. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy, and I will see you guys in the next episode.